Alright, hello YouTube. This video is probably gonna be like mostly on edited or something, but it should be edited enough we can watch it without getting bored. Uh, this video isn't really what I normally post, so if you subscribe or like stuff, please don't unsubscribe. This is mainly made for a friend who wants to make a Minecraft texture pack. But yeah, not sure what you're gonna do with this information, since if you're making a texture pack, you most likely have Minecraft Bedrock on your computer. But if you don't, then sure, give me 1,000 views, hopefully. Alright. So the first thing you want to do is create a folder. Name it whatever you want, and yeah. All right. So once you go into that right here, it's gonna be empty, obviously. You, the only things you really need for this are Paint 3D, which is already on most Windows 10 computers, and some kind of image viewer, which is already on Windows computers. Alright, so take any picture you have, you might preferably already a square. It doesn't really matter what the resolution set to, but take a picture, name it, or wait, first go to view, right there, and where is it? Alright, these three check marks right here, check file name extensions. This will need to be a PNG file, so yeah, just put it in right there. If that isn't PNG, what you can do is go to rename and click right there and change it. And it will give you a warning, but just click, yeah. So make sure the name is pack underscore icon. If it's not, then it will not work. Then you're gonna need to get your notepad open, and I will have this. I will have like a little website we can copy and paste this on, because there's no way you can be able to type this in right. If you mess one, like you put one extra space, it's not gonna work. Take this on the inside. You're gonna need this. All these. Whenever I put a website where you can copy and paste, it's probably gonna say UUID instead of all these numbers. So just erase that. Yeah. Take the website and paste what I have into Notepad and name manifest.json. Then go to an internet browser on your computer, and there will be a link below for this. So yeah, you're gonna need to go to uuidtools.com, and if you're too lazy to type it in, then I'll have a link below. And version 4 random right here. You can go generate another, copy, don't exit out yet. Then you take right here where I'm gonna have it UUID right there, or 00 or something. I don't know what I'm gonna put. Paste it in, and these two will have to be different or it will not show up. So then you're going to take another one, and you're going to copy it and change the second one right here. Alright, so once you do that, you click X and click save, and you can, while you're here, there's going to be another website, and alright, so this website will be linked to the description, and so will a download link, which might not work, so it's probably going to be this website, minecraft.gamepedia, yeah, that. So click on that, scroll down a little bit. This also tells you everything that I haven't. Yeah. What you're going to want to do is go to where you see modifying an entity's texture, and you'll see this is blue, so click that, and it should download a vanilla resource pack. Oh, hey look, that's OBS. Alright, so once you finish that, it doesn't matter where you save it, just this is pretty much an example pack. This helps with a lot of stuff. From here, this pretty much shows you a whole example, which will probably help a lot. But yeah. So right now we're just going to be worrying about textures, and if this does get a lot of views somehow, I'll make another video about it. So yeah, so now that's there, and you have your, I'm assuming you have this ready, your manifest.json. Create a new folder called textures. Make sure you don't spell it wrong, because that will make it not work. once you get here, you can click the same right there, and this pretty much all goes by folder names. Let's say you want to change a block, for example. You add another folder, name it block. That's not how you spell block, so you're gonna name it blocks. You're gonna click on it, and let's say you want to make a Trevor block, or you want to make Cole or look like Trevor. You can either drag this, not three of those, but you can either drag this and modify it from there, or dang it, I did not mean to X out of it. You're dragging and dropping in from there, or it's probably not gonna be Trevor because that will take too much time. You take this, you take a picture, it does not need to be named that, and you name it the exact name of the block you want to change. The exact name that the vanilla resource pack example has it as. So now that's ready. Oh, I'm a little dumb. This pack icon's still supposed to be there, just ignore that. I'm just gonna copy. Alright, so it should look something like that. And alright, so you made this because you obviously want to do something with it, because there's no reason why you'd have a texture pack made without Bedrock. So let's say you're going to email it to your friends, since you have the blocks and everything you want set on it. You X out of it because it saves, and what you're going to want to do is share it. You're going to create a compressed zip folder like that, and you can name it whatever you want. Now you have that. You're going to take this, and you're not going to drag this into it because that won't really work. You're going to take these, everything you have selected in the first little tab right there, where it's like volumes client, JSON, or everything right on the first part. Oh, one more thing about misfits.json. Right here you get the name. Whatever you change this to is what shows up whenever someone downloads the texture pack. Alright, so take these three and drag them into there. Did I do it? Yeah, I did. Alright, you're going to X out of it. You take bro.zip, which is, or it doesn't have to be bro, but you know. Erase zip and change it to MC pack. And it will give you a warning, click yes. Now, anyone you send this to, if they click on that, it will, or it should automatically download the texture pack you have created to Minecraft. And just make sure we're going to test it. Why did it turn my camera on? Not sure if y'all want to see me or not, but hopefully not. Alright, and it'll show import started and successfully. Not really what I meant for the name to be, because now I have two texture packs with the exact same name. It's not good. Alright, so you'll see it and you activate it. You can go back and create new. Alright, so whenever block you, or this just me showing that it works, cause yeah. So the color that I just changed shows up like that. Yeah, you don't really need to download any apps to do this. That's the color. And yeah. So anyone who clicks the MP pack file will get that brought up. Any questions I will answer in the comments, by the way. Another thing, let's say you want to like draw your own textures. Alright, so you see color right there. Click on it. It'll bring up a picture of it. And my computer for some reason doesn't like loading pictures. At the top you see edit and create, click it. Edit with Paint 3D, click it. And it brings up Paint 3D. Alright. So whenever you make your own block, I don't know what you're really using it for, because I normally make the dumbest things with my texture pack. You do not want the, or right here, yeah, you know how brushes work. I'm sure you can like draw and stuff. What you do not want is for click canvas. What you do not want is for this to be too, like, you don't want to have too high of a quality, or else console users and mobile users will probably crash. If you have a low-end computer, it will probably crash too. So recommended for me, at least, if you're making a random texture pack like I normally make, and not like an actual good-looking thing, change it to 480 by 480 if it's a block, and it's normally good enough. But yeah, all right. So I think that pretty much covers everything. Any comments y'all might have, leave them down below. I will answer probably every single comment because I don't have that much viewers. If anyone watches this other than Trevor, of course. And yeah. Okay. 21 minutes of recording. I'm definitely gonna edit that down a lot. And that's about it.